It's wet. Okay, this is wet. Wet Paris.
Oh, it's not that bad.
No. Yeah. It is.
Another few minutes. Look who's wearing the hats. Otherwise our hair would have been soaked.
We brought them for the sun,
I know.
but we got the rain.
Yeah. Okay, we're going.
We're going. Oh wow. They're military.
It was like military, like fighter jet stuff.
Huh?
It's like fighter
Yeah.
jet stuff.
Go, go. They look like we're in 90s.
I know, we do. These are Nike classics.
Okay, let's go.
What's the
Oh. Okay. Hi. We're drenched in putty. I think the sun will come out, but not for another half hour. I said I think the sun will come out, but not for another half hour. Did you hear that? We're drenched now. Lovely rain. Where are you?
It's Paris.
That's my... There's this mono. Oh yeah, yeah. It just goes forever. We gotta bring walking shoes and walk the whole thing up and down. Is it called Cobblestone? Louis Vuitton. The rain things.
Yeah.
They look ridiculous though. Hi babe.
Hi.
Why are they crossing like this stupid? It's gonna be a blue sky. Look, it's sort of like. This is so cool, guys. I know. We're tourists.
That's how you've been around before.
Yeah. Oh my god, are we going? Are we going? Are we going? We're going. We're going. I know. Okay, please come. Are we going? Okay. way to get there. We're going. Don't drop your phone. Here we go. That's the best we can do. Okay, you watching? Oh look, you get to see the whole thing.
I can't see a thing.
Okay, come on my side, everyone. This is military plane. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god, they came. Yeah, you might be able to see anything on your side. Film this side. Oh, no, let me film. Just watch. Just enjoy the view. Oh yeah, yeah. So cars can't even drive on the inner circle. Oh, look at it. It's okay, we haven't got time, we have to get ready to go. Oh wow, look at it. Thank you so much. We are so grateful for this. No, they just go. Where are the military planes? Oh, there they are. I just got them. Yeah, you gotta travel with Mason to Denmark. Oh my god, they put McDonald's here. This is disgusting. What's that for store? There we go.
Let's go for some London. It's carved on the top of that.
Okay, now we're going back to where we started. Crazy Horse, Paris. Crazy Horse. You want to be careful. The couple said they saw someone being hit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It looks like it's actually going to clear up. Yeah.
Oh my god, they put McDonald's here. This is disgusting.
I know. Why would they do that? Yes, it's very pretty. There you are. Hi.
Hi!
New York, Paris, London, Milan, or Germany or something, where all the main big stores are. It's the gallery. It looks like a hotel. That's Four Seasons. Either they're two different hotels, but I think.
Look at this gorgeous. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna come and get something? Is this where we buy? Well, downstairs we get the takeaway. That's what we heard. Look at these little boxes. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're gorgeous. Hi. Look at this one here. Oh my god. Gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Look at that. They're probably tired of people taking videos.
I know, they're probably so hard.
Each of the names, so when we order on the menu, I don't know what's what. We had that one. That's flan vanilla. I'm just videoing, it's fine. Okay, macaroons. Oh, you keep going. Oh, yeah. Oh, is that the box? Excuse me. Can we choose what we want in the box? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, come back tomorrow and choose. 14.
14 macaroons in heaven.
Huh? Where are you?
Heaven.
And there's more on the other end. And I can't stomach it because I think I'll get sick.